Everyone's talking about India's economic growth, but the real question is, where is the smart money going? From EVs taking over highways to AI running the backend of major industries, here are a few sectors to watch in the next few years. First we have is automobiles and EVs. India currently stands as the world's third largest automotive market due to its ongoing growth momentum, electric vehicles. Rising fuel prices have turned EVs into a mandatory purchase for everyone. Electric vehicles will constitute 33% of all vehicles on Indian roads by 2030. Second is healthcare and pharma. Post-COVID, healthcare isn't just hospitals. It's digital, AI-powered and accessible. And the expected valuation of this industry stands at $638 billion during the 2025 period. Third we have is renewable energy. The cost of solar power delivery decreased by 50% from 2014 until the present day, which drives the industry expansion through major companies such as Adani Green and Tata Power. Fourth is IT and AI. The IT and AI world is expected to scale to $350 billion by 2026. The current AI space shows high potential as the companies like TCS and Infosys focus on developing advanced AI tools. And there will be an extreme growth pattern ahead with the implementation of 5G and cloud computing technologies. The fifth one is FMCG. FMCG is all about essentials that people buy regularly. The sector is projected to grow at a CAGR of 14.9%, jumping from $167 billion in 2023 to $220 billion by 2025. Also, platforms like Zepto, Instamart and Blinkit are pushing the growth of this sector by providing faster deliveries and affordable deals. Now, out of all these sectors, which ones are you looking forward to? Do let us know in the comments.